Hello, and welcome to the Aging Games. This is a guided meditation practice for holistic healing of the mind, body, and spirit. So I invite you to join me as we make space today for healing. Finding a comfortable position wherever you are, coming to stillness, coming to rest, closing down the eyes, turning the awareness inward. Let's become aware of our breath, taking notice how it rises, how it falls. We can start to deepen our breath by inhaling slowly and deeply with the diaphragm, pulling the breath deep down into the belly, and releasing with a sigh. Inhaling deeply through the nose, gathering any negative or stagnant energy as you do so, and releasing it all out with the breath, letting go of any negative or lingering thoughts or emotions. One more time, we'll take an inhale down into the stomach, letting it build there, and letting it all go, releasing any tension in the body. After doing that just 3 times, we can already start to notice the powerful connection between the mind, the body, and the breath. We can see just how slowing down our breath and focusing on it brought us to this calm. Continue this deep breathing, bringing yourself deeper into this relaxed state. Pulling the breath in and giving it back, letting it go. Noticing yourself falling deeper and deeper into relaxation. You may find that the stream of thoughts in your mind is slowing down as you decide which ones to keep and which ones to throw away. Sri Swami Satchidananda would liken the process of emptying thoughts from the mind to sorting out clothes in your wardrobe, sorting out which thoughts we can part with and which ones we want to hold on to just a bit longer. But in the end, we know that we must give away all of our clothes, all of our earthly attachments, all of our thoughts, if we want to reach a higher existence, a higher consciousness. Continue to breathe into the belly for 4, 3, 2, 1, and release out the mouth for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale for 4, 3, 2, and 1. by eventually allowing ourselves to empty our wardrobe of every dress, by allowing ourselves to empty our mind of every thought, and by bringing the mind to complete stillness, we can slow down the frequency of our brainwaves to allow for healing on all three of our metaphysical levels: our mind, our body, our spirit. When we can slow the mind and body down enough, we can enter an alpha brain state, or even better, a theta brain state, in which we match the frequency of the Earth's heartbeat, reconnecting with our human nature, recognizing our universal connection to everything. Returning to our nature, becoming whole again. This is the very basis of holistic healing. When we recognize that we are the earth, that we are nature, then we can use the gifts of nature to heal ourselves. If you've lost track of your breath, gently guide your awareness back to it, inhaling deeply for 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhaling for 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue to breathe with that rhythm, releasing more and more tension, using the body's holistic nature to guide you to utter tranquility. I want you now to bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Imagine it filling with a bright, warm light. Imagine that spot relaxing, releasing all tension, releasing all stress from before you started this practice. Imagine this spot is melting like an ice cube on a hot day, just melting, releasing, relaxing. Feel this warm light melt down from your head, down to your neck, melting over your ears, running over your throat. Feel your entire head and all the organs within it just melting and releasing. Welcome this feeling into your shoulders, into your upper chest. Feel it flow down your arms, into your hands, down to the tips of your fingers. Melting over your chest and your back, bringing relaxation to your lungs, to your heart, your stomach, your kidneys, your pancreas, your liver, your bowels and hips start to melt also, releasing any prior tension, allowing it to drop away from you. This warm light continues to melt down your legs, running over your shins and calves, and flowing into your feet, reaching all the way down to the tips of your toes. Your entire body has now melted away any tension or stress you may have been holding. Like a snake who sheds its skin, you have also shed a layer of tension from your energy body. To finish this practice today, we're going to do a breath cycle called the Microcosmic orbit to give ourselves a final energy cleanse. We start by imagining that ball of warm yellow energy in our abdomen in the sacral area. On the inhale, imagine pulling that ball of energy down to your root chakra, allowing it to pass under through your legs to the backside of your body. Continue to inhale as you imagine guiding that ball of energy up your spine, feeling it run over your back, in between your lungs, up your neck, over the crown of your head, and collecting at the third eye. On the exhale now, we'll push that ball of energy down, feeling it run over your throat and your chest and your stomach until it reaches your sacral area yet again where we started. I hope you're feeling rested and healed on every level of your being. I hope that you are feeling light and uplifted, that you are feeling positive and open, that you are feeling refreshed and renewed.